Hi, my name's Keita. I'm the Early Talent Recruitment Advisor here at Womble Dickinson. My role sees me recruiting apprentices across our 8 offices, both in our legal and business support function. We're really passionate here at Womble Dickinson about creating alternative routes into your chosen profession, so always encourage applicants to apply for our apprenticeships. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about our legal apprenticeships here. We offer a paralegal apprenticeship, which is a level 3 apprenticeship in partnership with Silex Law School. This is a 2-year course which will see you obtain a level 3 certificate in law and practice at the end of the apprenticeship. To be eligible for this apprenticeship, you'll need 5 GCSEs at A to C. You'll then need a minimum of 3 Cs at A level or equivalent to be eligible for the course. We only run the paralegal apprenticeship in our Plymouth office, but we do run a solicitor apprenticeship in our Bristol, Southampton and Newcastle offices if that's more of interest to you. This particular apprenticeship is a degree level 7, so you will obtain a degree with the partnered university that you're with throughout the apprenticeship. It's a 6-year course, so the first 4 years will see you obtain that degree, and then the last 2 years you will join the trainee seat rotation here at Womble Dickinson with the graduates that have come into the business. It's a big commitment because it is 6 years, so you need to know that it's definitely something that you want to do before applying. Eligibility for this apprenticeship does vary depending on the partnered university that we use, depending on the location office that you're in. For example, Bristol, we partner with University of Law. They look for a minimum of 3 Cs at A level or equivalent. In our Southampton office, we currently partner with City University. They look for a minimum of 3 Bs at A level or equivalent. And for our Newcastle office, we partner with Northumbria University, who require 128 UCAS points. Applications for our legal apprenticeships are recruited on an annual basis. We'll usually open applications at the end of the year, and then we'll run the process at the early part of the following year. This entails an application, an assessment day, work placement and interview, and then offer. If you're successful in securing an apprenticeship with us, you'll then receive an offer around May time for a start date in the following September.
My name is Molly Nugent and I am the Early Talent Coordinator at WBD. So I'm going to tell you a bit more about the business support apprenticeships that we have available. Now these are slightly different to our legal apprenticeship programmes in the fact that we recruit these on a business need basis throughout the year. So we've had apprentices undertake IT, facilities, finance, HR, business admin, and they've continued to progress their development with us. Now, eligibility depends on the level that you're undertaking, and we can share more information about this should you be interested in the vacancy with us.
I'm going to be given a very brief tip about making an application. So one of the most common mistakes when we read people's application forms is that they will just tell us nothing more than the job title they have had, whereas obviously you are far more than just a job title. So the real key in making an application stand out is not just telling us what you've done, it's about telling us how you've done it. So for example, if you've managed to gain some part-time retail work, tell us about the transferable skills you've used in order to achieve success within your role. That would allow us to see that you understand not just the role that you were doing, but the overall aims of the team and the company, and would allow us to really get to envision those transferable skills in the workplace, allowing us to see you potentially working next to us and making the decision of the hiring manager that much easier. So please make sure you don't just tell us what you did, but you tell us how you did. The next tip I'm going to be given is just about how to draw upon your own experiences ready for your application form. So employers are well aware that it can be very difficult to get any kind of work experience, let alone work experience within the area that you're looking to forge a career within. So, you know, there are lots of opportunities, I'm sure, from your own life experiences that you can draw upon where you've been able to utilise these transferable skills. So, if you have been part of a sports team, tell us about any teamwork or leadership skills you've had to utilise. If you are a parent or a carer for someone, then, high levels of responsibility, high levels of organisational skills required. So again, lots of opportunities for you to draw upon and demonstrate those transferable skills. There is so much more to be gained than just from work experience. So don't sell yourself short. Any experience where you've been able to utilise your transferable skills, we want to hear about it. So please make sure you can draw upon all those different experiences that have helped make the person that you are.
All our vacancies are live on our website. If you don't see a vacancy that's of interest to you, then you can join one of our talent communities and sign up to newsletters and alerts. You'll also get an email to alert you of any new vacancy that becomes available.